Hello everyone, when you install a apps to your phone, they can save some data to your phone memory. But when you uninstall these apps, you just delete the app, but you don't delete this data from your phone memory. In this video, I will show you how can you properly uninstall a apps and delete those data from your phone memory. So let's begin. So actually, we are uninstall apps, like simply tap over the app and you can see there have a delete icon. Simply delete it and uninstall. So you simply uninstall these apps, but you don't delete these apps data from your phone memory. So how can you properly uninstall the app? I will show you. Simply long press over the app and here you can see there have a option eye icon. Simply select it. Right now there have a option clear data. First of all, you should clear the data. So you should select clear all data, then okay. Right now this apps related all data deleted from your phone memory. Right now you can uninstall. Simply select uninstall and okay. So that's it. In this way, you can properly uninstall apps from your phone. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.